Hello and welcome everyone. How are you today? This is me Arjun Bogati and you are watching Technology Era. Now in this episode I'm going to show you how to export any kinds of video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started here. First you make a new project. I'm writing a project name called export. Click on it and name a sequence setting called from Premiere Premiere and click enter. You will get the Adobe Premiere Pro screen here. This is a program monitor, this is a source monitor, this is project panel, this is a timeline panel or input your video and audio, this is the effect control panel, this is metadata panel. So how to import a video? First double click on the project panel. I have lots of video in my desktop, so I'm going to import a video called character rigging in Maya. Just double click on it to import a video. You will get the information about the video. Here you will get the pixel 1280 to 718 and audio RS24100 and it has a frame rate of 25 frames per second. And drag this video to the timeline. Okay, look at this. I have just imported this video in my timeline. Okay, first you should edit your video. After you complete editing your video, the final task to be done is to export the video from Adobe Premiere Pro. So how to export a video? You can go to, from file to export the video to media. You will also get the export setting box here where you can export your video. And the shortcut key to export the video, you just press Control+M. You will get this export setting. Export setting has many options like format option, choose as 0.246, and then make a setting to your preset. I'm going to choose HD 720p 25. This is the output location where you want to keep your video. I want to rename this output name as how to export my VID video. I'm going to save my video to desktop and then click on save. You will get the summary here. Source video has pixel 780 into 718 frame rate 25 and audio 44100 Hz to stereo. You should match your source video to the output video. To do this, just go to your video setting. It has a width of 1280 and a height of 720. Approximately is good, so it's not necessary to adjust your height. And go to the frame rate. You will see the frame rate both are matching, so it also not necessary to change the frame rate. Fail order is okay, progressive. Aspect ratio is okay, it's good. Square pixel, but there are other options, but it's not an issue in this video. And then profile, it's again good. Label is absolutely good. And then bitrate encodings. Generally we do a bitrate encoding in VVR1. If you have lots of effects used in your video while editing, you can go to the VVR2 pass. We haven't used any kinds of effects in our videos, so I'm going to choose VVR1 pass. Bitrate is okay, let's change it to 8. It's good because it will change the file size of your video. You can see the file size of video as 1056 MB. That's okay. And go to audio setting and audio codec is good. It's in perfect condition. It's also good. And change the kilobytes per second to highest 320, and then source range to source in and out. That's good. Then you can export your video by clicking on export here. Export your video, and this is the export section, and your video is exporting. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please drop down your question in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe us for getting a more interesting videos on animation, technology tricks, mobile tricks, filmmaking tutorials, IT tutorials, and many more. Till then, stay safe and bye bye.